Hello kids, welcome back to our online teaching. Hope you all are enjoying your studies. I think you all have completed your notes, isn't it? Today we are going to learn a new lesson from our English literature. Okay, we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 3. Okay, we have come to lesson number 3. The title of this lesson, okay, the title of this lesson is Down, Down, Down. Okay, down, down, down. Okay, I have taken 10 new words from this lesson. Okay, I have taken 10 new words. I'll just repeat, follow it. Okay, follow. The number 1 is river bank. River bank. RIVERBANK. River bank. Number 2 is peeped. Okay, looking into. Peeped. 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 Number 3, conversation. 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 Number 4 is waistcoat. Okay, waistcoat. VAIST. Waistcoat. COAT. Coat. Waistcoat. Number 5 is pop down. Pop down. POP. Pop. DON. Down. 6th one, plenty. 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 7th one, bookshelves. Bookshelves. BOOK. Book. SHELVS. Bookshelves. 8th one, dozing off. Dozing off. DOZING. Dozing off. OFF. 9th one, whiskers. Whiskers. And 10th one is Dina. Dina. DINAH. These are the 10 new words I have taken from the lesson. Learn these 10 new words and you can copy down in your note also. In your note write the index, write lesson number 3, down, 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 and first main new words and copy down these 10 new words. And next comes meanings, the synonyms. Meanings. First one, pop down. Pop down means in this lesson here, quickly jump into. Quickly jump into. Think nothing of. Okay. Second one is think nothing of. Here, never be afraid of. Never be afraid of. Dozing off means falling asleep. Falling asleep. Passage. Passage means corridor or tunnel. Corridor or tunnel. Ran like the wind means ran very fast. Ran very fast. And the last one is oh my ears and whiskers. Okay, oh my ears and whiskers means a way of showing surprise. Next, okay, this lesson, okay, down, down is taken from a story, taken from a novel, that is Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Okay, this story is taken from Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Okay, and next, okay, in this Alice Adventure in Wonderland is an English novel. Novel means a story. It was written by Lewis Carroll in 1865, means 100 years ago. It is the story of a girl called Alice. In this story, you're going to see a girl like you Okay, children, a girl like you by name Alice. Okay, she falls down. Okay, who falls down? A rabbit hole into rabbit hole into another world where she meets many funny and interesting characters. It is the story of a girl called Alice who falls down a rabbit hole into another world where she meets many funny and interesting characters. Some interesting animal characters in Alice, Alice Adventures in Wonderland are White Rabbit. Okay, this White Rabbit is the main in this story. He plays a very important role in this story. This rabbit appears in chapter 1 of the book. He wears a waistcoat and has a pocket watch which he keeps looking at and keeps saying, "Oh dear, I shall be too late." Okay. Alice follows the White Rabbit down the rabbit hole and enters a fantasy world. Next, here are the list of characters in the book. This list of characters in the book. All the animals and people Alice meets down the rabbit hole are unusual. Each of them teaches Alice some lessons about life. Some of the characters she meets are, okay, here, can you see in the picture? Can you see in the picture? Okay, this is the girl, okay, her name is only Alice, and she meets how many? In this picture you can see 3 and one more I'll show you later, okay. Okay, the first one is the White Rabbit. Okay, then these are the names of the animals which she meets. White Rabbit. Okay, you all have seen rabbit, isn't it? Okay, then Dormouse. This mouse is also a type of a mouse. Okay, March Hare, then Doodoo, then Cheshire Cat. Then here comes Dina. Dina is Alice's adorable pet kitten. Okay, this is her favorite pet animal. Wherever she goes, she will carry this. She does not go down the rabbit hole with Alice, but Alice talks about her to everyone she meets. Dina's hunting skills are very good. Okay, see here. Can you see the picture? He is Dormouse. Dormouse is a character who appears as a part of the Mad Hatter's tea party. He is usually very sleepy and falls asleep even while talking. He becomes friends with Alice during her adventures in Wonderland. Okay, this is the March Hare. March Hare also appears in the tea party scene. He is very jumpy and keeps behaving as though it is always tea time. He lives in a house which is shaped like the head of a hare. Then Doodoo. Okay, this is like a bird. Okay, Doodoo is a white bird with pink face. Okay, Doodoo is a white bird with a pink face. He wears a purple coat. He makes all the animals run in a race where there are no rules so that everybody wins. He awards a thimble to Alice as a prize for finishing the race. Okay, this is the Cheshire Cat. Cheshire Cat is a cat Alice meets in Wonderland. The curious cat has a huge wide grin. Sometimes its body disappears and only the grin remains. Alice lovingly calls it Cherry Puss. Okay, the writer says If you do not know where you are going, any road can take you there. Children, I want you all to read this lesson. Okay, read this lesson number 3, and I will explain you the story in the next video. Okay, on Monday we have Zoom class. In the Zoom class, not on Monday, it's on Tuesday, isn't it? Okay, you are having on Monday Zoom class. I will explain this story there. Before that, I want every child to read this lesson and come. I may ask few students to read the lesson. So read the lesson, underline the hard words and try to learn it. Okay, now go to page number 22, that is lesson number 3. Down, down, down. Go to page number 22 to 25. 22, 23, 24 and 25. Daily you have Saturday, Sundays or holidays, right? So daily one page you read and try to understand the story. So when I ask you to read or when I explain the story to you, it will be very easy and you will understand it very easily. Okay, children, you should do it without fail. Then what you have to do is, after reading page number 22, okay, the first page of this lesson, okay, that is page number 22, I have taken 4 questions. Okay, I have taken 4 questions from page number 22. I want you to read this lesson again and again and answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions means write answers for the following questions in your practice note, or write it in your practice note and bring it to the Zoom class on Monday. So I may ask you to read the answers there. Okay, listen carefully, read page number 22 and answer and write answers for the following questions in your practice note. Okay, the questions are, okay, after reading page number 22 you will be answering this. Where was Alice sitting? Whom was she sitting with? What did Alice see close to her? Why was the rabbit worried? What did Alice find odd about the rabbit? Children, I'll read it once more. These are the 5 questions. You have to write answers in your practice note. Take a photocopy and you can submit it in Google Classroom. Okay, take a photocopy of the answers for these following questions and submit it in Google Classroom. Shall I read the question once more? Okay. Where was Alice sitting? The second question is, whom was she sitting with? Third question, what did Alice see close to her? And the fourth one is, why was the rabbit worried? And the last question is, what did Alice find odd about the rabbit? Okay, write very neatly with your pencil and draw a line after each question answer and submit. Okay, you can write only the answers also. Okay, did not to copy the question, write only the answer in your practice note and send it to me. Okay, see the Google Classroom. I will give you assignment in Google Classroom. You have to submit there. Then only I can allot you marks. Children, listen carefully. I am noting how many students are submitting your homework and how many are not submitting. This will be counted for your midterm test. Okay, children, I hope you understood this. Try to read once or twice or thrice. Okay, read many times and try to answer all the questions. Okay, be very obedient to your parents. Stay at home, eat healthy food, take care of yourself. Okay, bye. Thank you.